scared. She doesn't have these things because powers aren't even real. I bet this is probably a dream. This is awful, getting scary. Depends on if I sneeze or not. Fire's gonna come out. Yeah. Oh no, it's ended. Oh no. Send it, can't send it. Oh, how good this cool. But this sure isn't real. I bet it's probably a dream. Aww. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna lay down. There's a think right now. This was Jim. How come fire keeps coming out of my nose? It's just weird. It's a bit scary. Some people are gonna be scared. I'm tired, but I can't go to sleep because I just sneeze overnight. Achoo! What is wrong with me? Feels like I'm having bad sneezes or something. It's pretty scary. Let's end this. So that's it for today, YouTube. So, comment down below if you ever had some scary sneezes before. And I had like these sneezes that are fire. They were actually kind of like fake sneezes. And I edited the video, so they're not real. So just don't say it's real. I had fake sneezes. Bye.